Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create Ghibli-style anime images using AI from your photos. Let's get started. First, go to the website fotor.com. You don't even need to create an account to get started. Just click on Edit for free on the home page. This will take you to the editor page where you can upload an image directly from your laptop or phone. The tool is also available on mobile if you prefer using your phone. Once your photo is uploaded, look for the Ghibli style option. It's one of the featured styles because of its popularity right now. Just click Try Now, and within a few seconds, your image will be transformed into a stunning Studio Ghibli-inspired piece of art, automatically and effortlessly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.